Hello everyone, welcome back to Prashita Fin School. This is the third session of our entire module individual profile and CV optimization for roles like accounting and US tax tools. In our previous two sessions of this particular module, we have already learned how to optimize a CV and how to optimize a Naukri profile in order to be one of the top applicant in any recruiter filters or searches related to accounting and US tax and rules. So why this session 3 now? Because we have done our CV optimized, we have already done our Naukri profile optimized, but that is not enough to land into the right job. Definitely that will improve your visibility to the recruiter, but is visibility is everything to get a job? No, right? Even we have to apply job strategically. So here in this session, we will be learning the smart job application strategy using ChatGPT. Why we are using ChatGPT here? Because we can apply for jobs smarter in a smarter way by using AI, but not in the harder way. So let's go ahead with this particular session. What is the session objective? Most people or most students, they build a CV, they optimize their profile, but what they do then, they apply randomly to any job they see in their profile. So will that help you? No. They get rejected and lose confidence. They feel that, yeah, why they are not getting shortlisted for 100 of jobs they are applying? Because your Naukri profile is not meant to be shortlisted for each and every role that you are applying for. Your Naukri profile will only get shortlisted for the roles and responsibilities we have optimized it for. So preparation without strategy creates frustration, because if you apply for 100 of job, let's say for taxes and for finance analyst, for everything, recruiter doesn't select you, or even software doesn't filter you out for those open positions that you have applied for. So what should be a final CV checklist? Before that, we will be understanding this. Before you apply to any job, check, is the CV role specific? The CV you have uploaded or you are applying through, is that role specific? Are keywords matching with the JD? If you are a serious job seeker, you have to do this. You have to check for every time you're applying for a job, is the JD matching with the keywords? That is the only difference between someone who is working in MNC and someone who is looking for a job, applying and getting rejected. Other than that, if you are a fresher, you have to definitely see if your CV is one pager or not. You have to see, yeah, are bullet points action oriented? As already mentioned, you have to mention your bullet points in a way that I have supported, I have generated action oriented bullet points in your job description, or maybe in your work experience section. Is formatting clean and simple? What is clean and simple? Is your formatting easy to read? Can a person who just have 3 seconds to read your CV can just give a glance, and can he read it in very less time? Then, did I remove any irrelevant content? You have to check if you have removed any irrelevant content or not. Irrelevant content, it means if you have updated that you are interested into taxation, but you are applying for an accounting role, you have to remove the taxation word from that, and you have to add something related to the accounting role itself. So overall, the golden rule is one role equals to one CV version. So every time you are applying for a role, you should change your CV. Let's say you are applying 20 jobs in a day, you have to change your CV 20 times as per the job description that you are applying for. If you are doing this, then rest assured, definitely you will get calls, and definitely you will be getting in landing into the right job at the earliest. Right, let's go ahead. How to use ChatGPT and how ChatGPT can actually help you. Instead of guessing if your CV matches, let's say I am doing it manually, right? I am just reading the CV, I'm again reading the job description, then I am thinking, is it matching or not? Why not to take help of AI? Then instead of randomly applying, let's ask ChatGPT whether this JD is match is whether the JD is matching my pro role, my profile or not. Writing generic summaries. Do not write generic summaries in your CV. You have already checked how to write profile oriented CVs that have higher keywords and that increases your shortlisting chances drastically, right? So use ChatGPT to analyze job description, match CV and GD, rewrite summaries, improve bullet points, prepare interview answers. So this is the way you can use ChatGPT. So in this particular session, we will learn how to train ChatGPT in a way that he will be acting as one of the senior finance career mentor, or maybe your individual or personal senior finance career mentor, and he will be it will be helping you at every case, at every job responsibilities. Let's say it is to apply for a job, prepare for an interview, prepare for a case round, prepare for technical round, anything. So we will be discussing this, how to create your personal guide using ChatGPT, right? So let's say you have to analyze a JD. Let's start with analyzing a JD first, because whenever you apply, the first thing is you have to check the JD is a right fit for not. So you have to say ChatGPT that give this prompt to ChatGPT that analyze this job description and list the top 10 skills and keyword I must include in my CV. What happens if you give this prompt to ChatGPT, then ChatGPT will give you top 10 skills that you should include in your CV. And if recruiter is screening your CV, then you would be one of the top applicant for that particular role. Once you give this prompt, do not forget to paste the JD or attach the JD in ChatGPT, right? If you want those prompts and many other such guides, you can definitely join our 30 days accounting and US tax job readiness program, which you can avail by visiting our website www.prashutafinschool.com. Then prompt 2, CV match check. So why to once you analyze the job description, then you have to check if your CV matches with not. You have updated those keywords that you have asked from ChatGPT. Now you have updated your CV. Then you have to check, upload your CV and give this prompt. Here is my CV and here is the job description uploaded above. Tell me what is missing and how to improve the alignment. This will help. This will help you to find out if there are any missing gaps and if there are any strategic keyword that is missing, and you can add it somewhere. Even it will help you to find out if there is any irrelevant data that you have added in your CV that is missing from you. So ChatGPT will find it for you. Then prompt 3, summary customization. Rewrite my profile summary for an entry level account payable role based on this job description. So summary will be written by ChatGPT. You can give your summary that you have already discussed, and you can ask ChatGPT. So take this particular summary into reference and create an accounts payable rule based job description. Sorry, account summary for me based on the job description. So ChatGPT will follow the format that you have given, but it will enhance the profile summary as per the job description that you are applying for. Then bullet point enhancement. Rewrite this intensive bullet points to make it more impactful and keyword aligned for an accounts receivable rule. Paste your intensive details, and ChatGPT will help you to rewrite an impactful project detail, or maybe impactful intensive experience details for you. Just copy and paste it in your CV before applying. Then interview preparation. You can even take help of ChatGPT to prepare for the interview based on the job description. What technical questions can I expect in the interview? ChatGPT will analyze the job description and it will give you 50, 100, or how many questions you ask. So as per the job description, and you can practice this before attending interview. Anyhow, we have given you given you around 100 to 150 questions that you can prepare for roles related to accounting and US taxation, right? Going ahead, one important warning you should always remember: ChatGPT helps you structure, it does not replace your understanding. So never copy blindly whatever ChatGPT is saying. Always edit based on what you actually know, right? This is something that you should remember. But again, to improve or to help you overcome these limitations of ChatGPT, what we will be doing, we will be learning something that help you use ChatGPT the right way. Instead of giving random prompts every time, create one dedicated career chart and train ChatGPT about you. So what we will be doing, we will be creating a dedicated chart which you can name as career guide or maybe career assistance. And then you have to train that particular you have to train ChatGPT in the particular chart, that ChatGPT should know everything about you. Everything in the sense, what roles you are looking ahead in your career, what is your current skills, then what is your education, what is your internship experience, anything that you want that professor that your career mentor should know in order to guide you, you should be make it available to ChatGPT, right? So create a separate chart, open ChatGPT and paste, I want you to act as my long-term career mentor for accounting and US tax rules. I will share my complete background. Please remember this context and help me in all future job application. Once you give this prompt, ChatGPT understand what you want ChatGPT to do for you. Once it understand what his role is, then he would be a it would be a gold mine for you. Chat gpt will act as a experienced professional, that is guiding you at all your job applications. Then give full context about yourself, share your name, your education detail, degree, specialization, skills you have in accounting, tax and ms excel, then internship experience, then projects, tools, career goals like apar or whatever your goal is, then strengths, weakness you are improving on, then your location preferences. So I want you to give as much as detailed context about you, because the more context you give, the better responses you will be getting from ChatGPT regarding your career preparation. Then advanced prompt. Now give a prompt to ChatGPT to act as a 10-year experience accounting and US tax mentor and guide me on my improvement, job alignment, interview preparation, and application strategy. Always give practical and realistic advice based on my background. So first we have given details to ChatGPT, and now we are assigning him a role that he is a 10-year experienced accounting and US tax career mentor who will be guiding you on everything. Let's say CV improvement, job alignment, interview preparation, and application strategy, everything that you want. Right? Then use the same ChatGPT every time, the same chat section every time. Do not use other chat sections when you apply for new jobs. Every time you apply for a new job, just use the same chat section. In that, paste a job description that you are trying to apply for, ask to customize summary, ask interview questions, improve bullet points. ChatGPT already knows you, what you are applying for, what is your career goal, and everything about you. So no need to re-explain every time and everything. So it helps you to save a lot of time and lot of energy, and it helps ChatGPT to train better by once you are applying for 5 to 6 jobs. So ChatGPT knows better about you. He get trained better to help you in your career goal. So if ChatGPT knows you well, it becomes your assistant. If it don't, it gives generic internet answer. So this is the only reason why I have asked you to create a separate chat box in ChatGPT, so that it is not giving you only generic internet answers which most of the freshers are using in the CV. If it knows you better, he will act as your assistant, or as your mentor, that is giving personalized content for you that you can add in your CV, and personalized training that you can definitely apply strategically in your interview, right? So that is all about how you can apply strategically for any job applications. So what's next in this module? So here we have a capstone project where AI assisted interview, which is the AI assisted interview readiness challenge, where you will be applying everything you have learned in one structured execution. So the project details will be shared with our trainees who have already enrolled for accounting and US Tech job readiness program, which you can find www.prashutapinschool.com. If you want to unlock this project access, then definitely you can enroll in our 30 days US tax and job readiness program, and even you will be able to access this project and get yourself prepared better for any interview related to accounting and US taxes roles. So that is all for today, guys. You take care and good day.